Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Kirkland Brooks, and I'm the founder of Febris. And Febris is an easy way to scale nurse education while lowering education costs. Benjamin Franklin said, "Tell me and I forget. Teach me and I may remember. Involve me and I learn." This is a driving concept behind how Febris is revolutionizing nurse education, utilizing the power of virtual reality. The U.S. healthcare system is currently facing a nursing crisis. It costs, on average, $66,000 to onboard educate a single nurse. We're about to be facing a million nurse shortage, and with an average turnover approaching 20%, even small hospitals are having to spend millions on this issue every year. Our solution is an easy-to-use, virtual reality-based experiential learning system, so nurses can learn by doing. Educate anywhere without any need for dedicated space or consumables. Retain up to 15 times more information and educate more nurses per educator. The annual U.S. market size for non-specialized nurse education is over $63 billion, with a large portion of that being the transition between our school and work. With over 230,000 nurses graduating every year, this is a market that's not going away, and every single listed institution here requires nurses. Our competition is primarily the status quo, how nurse education has always been done by the hospital systems. That is primarily lecture-based education, which has information retention issues. Mannequin-style education, which is incredibly expensive and requires a considerable amount of dedicated space. And on-the-job education, which is susceptible to data degradation, similar to the old telephone game. Traditional LMSs are also our competition, which primarily focuses on reading and lecture-based education, and some have actually gamified some of their learning, which is better for information retention, however, still suffers from the passing of answers back. The good news is, with the Febris system, you can retain up to 15 times more information than lecture-based education, and nearly 4 times as much information as you can with audio-visual information, all while effectively negating the ability to pass solutions. We're based in a city with a world-class game development school. We can stay up to date with best practices automatically. We can cover tough situations like a pandemic quickly and effectively. We're considerably cheaper than the status quo, and ease of use has always been a priority throughout the development of Febris. And we have no need to tie into an EMR, LMS, or LRS system. It's hard to describe the power of virtual reality without putting it in the hands of users. That makes demos and exhibitions quite important for Febris. We also create useful, free content to drive the top of our sales funnel through our inbound marketing strategy. And traditionally, healthcare has leaned on direct sales, and our finalized sales are handled directly. We utilize a modified SaaS model that includes pricing per package as well as seats and a fee-for-value video storage. Our 5-year projections are based on an average of 3 units per hospital, with a bunch of minor sales scattered throughout the years, as well as 1 major sale every year. We're proud to have Georgia Southern participating in our current pilot, with more in the pipeline. My name is Kirk Brooks. I'm an engineer. I've been working with virtual reality for many years now, and I'm honestly shocked I am still trusted with a microphone. And Ann McLaughlin, who's a nurse educator. We're currently raising $1 million seed round to aid in the operations, personnel, and marketing. And I would like to invite you to join Febris, be it through implementation or investment. Provide the tools that the most critical and overlooked segment of the healthcare industry truly needs. Thank you very much.